guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video or been on this channel, period. So before I get started, I just wanted to say hi, welcome back. Before I get started, I want to show you guys what I use for my everyday makeup routine. Lately, I've been using Bear With Me. So I just like to take a little bit of that and put it right on top of my makeup brush, like so, and then just dab everywhere on my face. My Maybelline, what is it? Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Channel is to be more consistent. Number one, that's like the main goal. I want to be more consistent on this channel. I was really focused on getting like lighting, and I just wasn't satisfied with certain things for my channel, which that really shouldn't have been the case, but I don't know, I was like a perfectionist. And then we're just going to take some powder and just set it on those areas. The powder I'm using is from Maybelline. It's the, what is this powder? Maybelline Fit Me powder, the loose finishing powder. Yeah, so we're just going to use that and just so. So, this is how my face looks so far. highlight over the top of the lid. Now sometimes I wear lipstick, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I put on some mascara, sometimes I don't. For this put on a little bit. I really don't put on falsies. Like you guys know, I just wear natural lashes. Yeah, so go like that. And we're just gonna give a little color to the lip. And this is the look. And this is what I wear for my everyday makeup look. Yeah, so this is my look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.